In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition switch for the Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, and other brands of mowers. This is what the switch looks like. You can see it's got the key in it. So let me show you how to switch this out. This particular switch is going in a Troy-Bilt. It fits several different MTD made products like Troy-Bilt and Cub Cadet, so your switch should look similar. So first we're going to need to open the hood, and then in the back, if you look, there's some tabs that hold it in, and you just want to squeeze those tabs while pushing it and gently work the switch out to the front. Now once you got it out to the front, what you want to do is disconnect these connectors, and now we're going to put the new switch back on. We're going to put the black connector back on first and then the white connector. Once the connectors are on, simply put the switch back in the dash and push it until you hear a click. Now we can test it by inserting the key, put the choke on, make sure it's in neutral, press the brake, and test it.